Hello and welcome back to the Master Civil Engineering. And in this video, you will learn that how to find the magnitude of the settlement of a soil for a particular interval of time if we already know the magnitude of settlement at some different interval of time. I have been given a question which states that a certain clay layer has a thickness of 5 meter. After 1 year, when the clay was 50% consolidated, 8 centimeter of settlement had occurred. For a similar clay and loading conditions, we have to find how much settlement would occur at the end of 1 year and 4 year respectively if the thickness of this new layer is 25 meter. Okay. So for our clay, that is for a 5 meter thick layer, degree of consolidation, this has been given as 50%, or you can write as 0.5. Time for this 50% consolidation, this is 1 year, and settlement which has occurred during this 1 year, this is 8 centimeter. So from this you can calculate the total settlement of the soil. Total settlement, this is given by first degree of consolidation. You can write it as settlement at any time divided by the final or total settlement. So final settlement, this will be equal to settlement any time divided by degree of consolidation. So it will be 8 divided by 0.5, which is 16 centimeters. So you can say that for 5 meter thick layer, total settlement, this will be equal to 16 centimeter. Okay. So for 5 meter thick layer, total settlement is 16 centimeters. Since total settlement, this is directly proportional to the thickness of the clay layer. So for 25 meter thick layer, total settlement or final settlement, this will be 16 into 25 divided by 5. This is by the law of proportionality. So it will be 80 centimeter. Time factor, this is given as TV is equal to CV into T divided by H square. Okay, this CV is the coefficient of consolidation, T is the time, and H is the drainage path. So for the same clay layer and the same degree of consolidation, since this T, this is directly proportional to the square of the drainage path, so you can write as T1 divided by H1 square is equal to T2 divided by H2 square. Okay, for the 5 meter thick layer, this time for the 50% consolidation, this is 1 year. Okay, so for 25 meter thick layer, time for the 50% consolidation, it will be 1 into 25 divided by 5 whole square, which is equal to 25 years. Okay, so for in this equation you have to put T1 is equal to 1, H1 equal to 5, H2 equal to 25, and from this you will get the value of T2, or that is the time for 50% consolidation for this 25 meter thick clay layer, which is 25 years. Also, you can write this time factor. This is directly proportional to the time. So you can write this capital T, that is TV1 divided by TV2. This is equal to T1 divided by T2. And we know that degree of consolidation, if it is less than 60%, time factor can be written in terms of degree of consolidation as from Taylor's equation. This is TV is equal to pi by 4 into U square. So from this you can write this U1 square divided by U2 square. This is equal to T1 TV1 divided by TV2 is equal to T1 divided by T2, or in other words you can write this U1 square, this is that is the square of the degree of consolidation. This is directly proportional to the time. Okay, so for U1 this is equal to 50%, T1 this is equal to 25 years. Okay, so for our clay layer having a thickness of 25 for our clay layer having a thickness of 25 meter, for 50% consolidation, time for 50% consolidation, we calculated it to be 25 years. Okay, so for T2 is equal to 1 year. Okay, so in 1 year, how much degree of consolidation will occur? We can use this equation. Okay, that is U2 square, this will be equal to U1 square into T2 divided by T1. Putting values, U1 that is time required for 50% degree of consolidation, which is 50% or 0.5. T2, this is 1 year, and T1, which is the time required for 50% consolidation for our clay layer of thickness 25 meter, this is 25 years. So U2 square, this is equal to 0.01, or U2, this is 0.1. So you can say that in 1 year the degree of consolidation for this 25-meter thick clay layer, it will be 0.1 or 10%. Okay, so settlement at the end of 1 year, this is, again, we know that the total or final settlement for this 25-meter thick clay layer is 80 centimeter. So settlement at the end of 1 year, this will be degree of consolidation multiplied by the final settlement. Degree of consolidation for T is equal to 1 year, this is 0.1, and final settlement for this 25-meter thick clay layer, this is 80 centimeters. So settlement at the end of 1 year, this will be equal to 8 centimeter. Okay, similarly, if we have to find the settlement for settlement after 4 years, that is for T2 is equal to 4 year, we will again use the same equation, that is U2 square is equal to U1 square into T2 divided by T1. U1, this is the degree of consolidation, okay, which is 50%. T2, this is 4 year, and T1, that is the time for the 50% consolidation, which is 25 years. So from this you will get the value of U2 square, this is equal to 0.04, which implies U2, this will be square root of 0.04, which is 0.2. In other words, you can say for the clay layer having thickness of 25 meter, degree of consolidation after 4 years, it will be 0.2 or 20%. Settlement at the end of the 4 year, this is again degree of consolidation multiplied by the final settlement. So degree of consolidation is 0.2, and final settlement for a clay layer of 25 meter thickness, this is 80 centimeters. So settlement at the end of the 4 year, this will be 0.2 into 80, which is equal to 16 centimeter. Okay, so settlement for this clay layer having thickness of 25 meter at the end of 1 year is 8 centimeter, and at the end of 4 year is 16 centimeter. So this is how you can calculate the that is, you can calculate the settlement of the clay layer at a particular interval of time if you already know the magnitude of the same clay layer at some different interval of time. Okay, you just have to use the equation for the time rate of consolidation. I hope this solution video was clear and effective, and you definitely learned something new from this video. If you have some doubts or queries, you can write them in the comment box, okay, and I will try to answer them. I hope you like the video and enjoyed the video. Please share this video with your friends, and stay tuned.